In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a report in Zoho Creator. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Creator dashboard. Once you're there, identify the application where the report you plan to delete is located. This is important because Zoho Creator can host multiple applications, and finding the correct one is crucial to ensure you're working with the right data and not accidentally deleting something from a different application. Now, as you look at the dashboard, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. This is your main navigation area. Here you can see various sections like microservices, environments, mobile, and a few others. But for our purpose today, we will be focusing on applications. Click on the appropriate application to move forward. Remember, clicking on the right application will help avoid any confusion and keep you on track throughout this process. Once you're inside the application, look for the section labeled Reports. It's typically listed prominently because it's a vital component of your application's functionality. Click on Reports. This will display a list of all the reports that have been created within this application. Take a moment to locate the specific report you want to delete. Double-check to ensure it's the correct one. You wouldn't want to lose important data by deleting the wrong report by mistake. Now that you've pinpointed the report to be deleted, hover over it. You should see several options become visible, such as viewing the report, editing it, or deleting it. Pay attention to the delete option, which is often represented by a trash can icon. Click on this icon to proceed with the deletion process. Zoho Creator cares about your data and wants to ensure you don't make unwanted deletions, so you'll typically receive a confirmation prompt when you press delete. When you see the confirmation dialog box appear, take a moment to read through it. It's there as a safeguard, reminding you that once a report is deleted, it cannot be recovered. This is your last chance to cancel if you've selected the wrong report. If you're confident this is the report you want to delete, go ahead and confirm by clicking Yes or OK, depending on what your interface displays. After confirming, Zoho Creator will delete the report, effectively removing it from your application. To make sure everything went smoothly, you can check the Reports section again to verify that the report is indeed gone. This final check confirms that the process was successful and no additional action is required. And there you have it. You're all set. Deleting a report in Zoho Creator is straightforward once you know the steps, and it's all about taking a careful and measured approach to avoid errors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.